Hi everybody! I am at a very nice Class A turnkey rental property that we just sold recently to one of our biggest clients. It is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, over 1,800 square feet, and it has an attached 2-car garage. And did I mention we just did a brand new deck off of the back? This city updated its building codes in January, and so of course we did everything to match and make sure everything is completely up to code, safe and secure for anybody who's going to come and enjoy living in this property and using this amazing new deck. Brand new everything in here, top to bottom. Here is a kitchen that most people would love to have. Nice little touches like this double oven really drive up the value of a rental property like this, especially in a really nice neighborhood that's a Class A. Unique lighting fixtures, same story. Let's take a quick walk down the hallway so I can show you the bedrooms and bathrooms that we completely renovated. All right, here's the main hall bath. I'm not gonna flip on this light because the fan's loud, but shower bath combo. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. Each one of them, as you can see, has a ceiling fan. Again, one of those nice little touches with a higher class property. What's my camera, Jess? Closets. And the master bedroom. Obviously the largest bedroom of the 4. And again, you can see the back deck from here. There it is. They're finishing that up right now. Master bathroom, top to bottom. Closet. I'm not going to walk all the way downstairs, especially not in these shoes. But there is a finished basement here with a main room that branches off into another bedroom with a half bath attached to it and a little recessed area for a closet. I'll probably just throw up some pictures here real quick after I do this video. If you are interested in getting Mailbox money to unlock your way to retirement with us and you haven't started yet, be sure you give me a call. Properties like these are one great way to get you there. $1,795 a month in rental income, and it takes no time at all to rent this up, trust me. We'll have somebody in here by the end of the week, and the owner will be receiving his cash flow immediately. Give me a call if you haven't already, 513-443-8008. You can also text me, or you can go to our website at www.ohioturnkey.com, and from there you can fill out a form. You can email me any way you want to get a hold of me. I'll get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Until next time.